Body sign and symptoms, numbness of half the body. Numbness of half the body usually occurs in the limbs. Liver blood deficiency. Numbness of half the body, numbness or tingling of the limbs. Dizziness, blurred vision, bloaters, scanty menstruation, dull pale complexion, pale tongue, choppy or fine pulse. This numbness often occurs in the left side and more frequently in women. Damp phlegm. Numbness of half the body, chronic cough with expectoration of profuse white sticky sputum that is easy to expectorate. Feeling of oppression of the chest, dizziness, blurred vision, somnolence, nausea, sputum in the throat, muzziness of the head, swollen tongue with sticky coating, and slippery pulse. Liver wind. Numbness of half the body and the hand, tremor, severe dizziness, tinnitus, headache, tics, stiff, deviated or moving tongue. Wiry falls, this pattern is more likely to occur in old people. In the elderly, numbness of half the body may herald wind stroke. Deficiency of central chi. Numbness of half of the body, soft and weak limbs, poor appetite, slight abdominal distension after eating, tiredness, lassitude, pale complexion, weakness of the limbs, loose stool, uncomfortable feeling in the epigastrium, lack of the taste sensation, pale tongue, empty pulse. This pattern is due to a deficiency of stomach and spleen, and the numbness often occurs in the right side. Numbness. Dampness. Numbness of the half body, feeling of heaviness of the limbs, swelling of the limbs and or joints, muscle ache, sticky tongue coating, slippery pulse. Other symptoms and signs depend on whether the dampness is associated with cold or heat. Thank you for your attention.